Today we'll talk about goal number 3. Sustainable development goal number 3 is about good health and well-being. So just search on Google and find out what are the important issues regarding health. Health, well-being, fitness, what are the big problems? I'll give you a few clues. There is very high malnutrition among women, and because of that there are so many problems, pregnancy related problems among women. The health of newborn children is poor, and so many things. Search it out, find out the solution for them. What can be new innovations? What can we do in these regards? Then come to health system. Shortage of doctors, shortage of hospitals, very big problems. Health infrastructure, very poor. Health system is under crisis all over the world, and particularly in our country, India. So search it out, what can be done and how can we solve this problem. And again, in terms of health, fitness, there is very acute shortage of medicines for particular problems, particular diseases, and no solution for some diseases. Even today, we know there is no solution for corona crisis, no solution for cancer and many dangerous diseases. So what should be done? So health, fitness and all these things are very, very important issues. In my career counseling, because I undertake career counseling for anyone who is interested to take some guidance, and it's free. Anyone can approach me any day, anytime, take career guidance. If some knowledge is there in me, what's wrong? I can share it with anybody, and there is no charge for it. So in all my career guidance sessions, I try to encourage young people to go for healthcare as industry, as their career. Remember, we will have a huge demand for healthcare professionals. You may say that it's so difficult in our country to get admission into MBBS program because the entrance test is very difficult. But then it's so easy to get admission into some traditional sectors in healthcare, like Prakritik Chikitsa, like Ayurveda, like Unani medicine, like homeopathy, or like other forms of alternate medicines, like yoga, naturopathy. And they are equally good, and in fact sometimes they are better than modern allopathic methods. So encourage people to go for that, so they can help you. These health related problems can be solved through our food. Good food will ensure solution of health related problems.